Welcome to School Leadership Academy, State Council for Education Research and Training, Jammu and Kashmir. I am your host in the School Leadership Academy. I will introduce you the mandate of School Leadership Academy. Before we will understand the functioning of School Leadership Academy, I am tracing you to the School Education Department. We have three main organs of our education system in J&K. One is the SCERT, which has been established in the year 2020. So it's a landmark reform in itself. SCERT has been established in Jammu and Kashmir with and another organ of our school education department. You can see the three organs here. Another is the Directorate of School Education. We have two regional directorates, Directorate of Kashmir and Directorate of Jammu. And another authority which is going to be established, which is in the policy making stage, that's a SSSA, State School Standard Authority. That's the third organ of our education department, which will look after the school quality, school accreditation, and regulatory mechanism. And that's going to be established soon. And most importantly, in our SCERT division, we have three subdivisions. You can see from the website, which is the website of our own SCERT, we have three divisions. One is we have a Kashmir division, SCERT Kashmir division, headed by the Joint Director Kashmir. We have a Joint Director Jammu, which is heading the SCERT Jammu division, and we have one main central division in SCERT. After that, when we go to in the SCERT functioning, it has been established. It has 13 departments within SCERT, starting from the curriculum division to health and hygiene. We have 13 divisions. So it's a big reform in itself, SCERT. And its mandate are mainly three things. One is the discussion on education policy, planning, and administration. Second part is the capacity building, what we call it trainings. We are usually famous. SCERT diets are famous for only training. Training is one component of functioning of SCERT. And the third is research and development. That's the third important organ of functioning of SCERT. And these three works, discussion of education, curriculum development से लेके teaching training modules बनाने तक, it has been divided into 13 departments. उसमें हमारा एक publication division में, उसमें हमारा एक educational technology division है, इसमें हमारा एक planning, educational planning, monitoring, management division एक है. So it's a like in center we have a NCERT, इसी के analog इसी की similar organization हमारे UTF Jammu and Kashmir में है. And in this big SCERT, we have of accommodation available in the name of Ustadgar, both at Jammu as well as Kashmir. That's a good accommodation available. It's a kind of you will feel at relax. It's a learning environment in this organization, which is available for education department teachers who have come here for training, capacity building, and as well as for other departments, other guests also from UT of J&K or from outside UT. And now I will come to the School Leadership Academy SCERT J&K. And we should appreciate the efforts of educational leaders, especially Professor Veena Pandita. She has taken, I can say, lead in establishing the School Leadership Academy, and Arun Manhas sir, he was the SPD at that time, and the ex-joint directors. And now finally we got a School Leadership Academy in the year 2020 and 2021. We have a budget allocations from our parent organization, that is National Center for School Leadership, which is a big educational reform, because we all know that there's a vast massification of schools in India. We have millions of schools, we have millions of teachers, we have students. We should be proud that in Indian context, we student population covers, it can cover most of the यूरोपियन कंट्रीज की जो पॉपुलेशन है उससे ज़्यादा हमारी स्टूडेंट पॉपुलेशन है. सो उसको कैटर करने के लिए वी हैव सीन दैट देयर इज अ dismal performance. There has been a dismal performance in the school processes, जो most of the people have observed that. लेकिन इस massification में अभी तक गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का जो फोकस था वो था literacy. But now we are moving from simple schooling to a learning. 21st century demands are the learning. So in this learning scenario, what we need is we need a capacity building, and especially we have to start from the head of institutions. तो head of institutions हमारे लिए हैं our honorable director, honorable principal secretary, director SCRT, director school education Kashmir, director school education Jammu, all the respected chief education officers, all the diet principals, all the ZDOs, and मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली जो एक सक्सेस और फेलियर के दरमियान जो एक पिवटल फिगर है वो है हमारे हेड्स ऑफ स्कूल. तो उनके लिए देयर हैज बीन ए रिफॉर्म स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर 2013 एट नेशनल लेवल which has been approved by the Ministry of HRD and now Ministry of Education. We have a school reforms. We have a concept called school leadership, and school leadership is a very important concept. It's meant for maintaining the school. One of the prime goals of school leadership, school maintaining of school, creating a learning atmosphere, schools as a learning organization. We are fortunate that we got a school leadership academy, and now we have to get ourselves collaborated. जो हमारे स्कूल लीडरशिप एकेडमी की वी हैव 4 मेन मैंडेट्स. तो पहला मैंडेट जो हमारा है वो है जो हमारे HOIs हैं, स्पेशली स्कूल हेड्स, सिस्टम लेवल फंक्शनरीज के लिए हमारे पास पहला है वी हैव टू डेवलप करिकुलम मटेरियल फॉर देयर प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट टू बिल्ड देयर कॉम्पिटेंसीज. तो वी सेकेंड पार्ट वी हैव टू डेवलप द कैपेसिटी, वी हैव टू डू द रिग्रेस capacity building of heads of schools, especially those who are newly promoted. We have to train them on different aspects of school leadership, especially as per the orders of administrative secretary. Sir, we have to train them on how to manage the school, including personal management, including human resource management, including financial management. So these are the all aspects, but we have to move ahead from managerial part to a leadership part. Third, we have to collaborate each other. What an HOI in the Srinagar City University does the best, having the same physical infrastructure, same human resource, why HOIB is not able to do the same thing? So he can collaborate. We are the facilitators here to collaborate HOIA with the HOIB. We can share, we can share our experiences, we can share our learning. We have to make schools as a learning organization. We have to collaborate with each other. And fourth and important thing, we have to do some research work, because 21st century is the century of learning, not mere the quantitative numbers which were early. We have a literacy rate of this percentage or that percentage. No, we have to think in terms of learning. So this is the fourth thing. And in SLA, we have appointed best persons from all districts, whom we call SRGs, State Resource Group. They are the one from each district, and they are the best in terms of their capabilities on school leadership. They have contributed a lot in their field. They are selected on merit. So these SRGs will collaborate with all the HOIs on different themes. जो हमें काम मिला है इस साल के लिए, उसमें एक टर्म है जिसको कहते हैं KPIs, की प्रोसेस इंडिकेटर्स. उसमें हमें बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस को कवर करना है. आवर ultimate aim is to improve the school in terms. We have to make the rigorous trainings on school development and leadership programs, so that we can make a better future for our generations which have to face tough challenges in future. So we have to prepare them for what they have to achieve after 20 years and 30 years. और इसमें सबसे अहम जो रिसर्च इम्पैक्ट ऑफ हेड ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑन द लर्निंग ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज more than 25%. You can see the importance of heads of school. The difference between good school and the every school, it all lies on the competencies of head of schools. So we welcome all the heads of schools to be part of this great initiative which has been started by the government of J&K here at SCRT J&K. We welcome you all to be part of this transformation, be a part of transformation leadership led by the influence. So I welcome you all. We are always available. We will host you here at SLA SCRT J&K. Thank you.